clearly Pam the cat. Way down there, big blue eyes, just a blimp with pink hair. You've been dreaming, Polly, you know it can't be. There's no cat on this earth who's as lovely and as beautiful as me. And you. Annabelle! She isn't in a dream. She makes me wanna scream. She's in this magazine, sister, look at her. Just oozing, wholesome, sweet and clean. Okay, sister, you must listen to me, but not as helpless as two cats up a tree. There's a way we can stay the most beautiful, my dear. This pretty kitty Annabelle must simply disappear. Yes, my sister, it's suddenly so clear. This pretty kitty Annabelle must simply disappear. We'll see to it, this pretty kitty Annabelle simply disappear.
Swell day for being a cat. Staring at things that aren't really there. It doesn't get any better than that. Coughing up hairballs, seeing my gal, making my way past my fine shark dog pal. The cute little guy whose head needs a pat. When he looks at my paw, it looks like cheese to a rat. Imagine that. So I better not stop. Brothers, that is a fact. Teleplantable feet on my gal's welcome mat.
Oh, weak, you do like me so. You know what it's like when you fall off a bike. Well, that's a little like being in love. That feeling you get from the warmth of your pet. It's a little like being in love. He's the strings on my kite, guides my heart in its flight. Falling in love is alright, but I like what it's like being liked. I'm his feeling delight, the one thing in his sight. It just feels so right to hold him tight through the night. I may be in love, and I know what I like. I like what it's like being liked. Soon she will be ours. Quickly, you must capture the rotund pigged one. Bring her to us.
When we're together, we're part of each other. When we're apart, we are so blue. So let's stay a part of our heart in each other. The best part of being with you. The best part of being with you. Kumbaya! My girlfriend Annabelle has been carried off by flying monkeys.
You're even more lovely in person, Annabelle. Yes, it's almost a shame no one will ever see you again. You'll both be sorry when my boyfriend gets here. It's going to be quite a scene. You're gonna regret this when my boyfriend gets here. You'll wish you weren't so mean.
Oh, where is my Annabelle? It happened so quickly, being scooped up by monkeys with wings. Something tells me this isn't a good thing. Not one of those everyday things.
Please come and save me, my hero. Never give up, you must try. Until that sweet day when we're together forever, I'm just gonna stand here and cry.
I must have passed out. Where the heck am I? Oh no, I've got to find Annabelle. She was taken by monkeys who can fly. Who can fly? Monkeys who can fly. Who can fly? Kumbaya, I'm gonna need help. Someone brave to join me on my quest for Annabelle, but who? Say, I know. How about...
Brave Elmo, brave Elmo, brave Elmo. I like it when you call me Brave Elmo, brave Elmo, brave Elmo. I like it when you call me that. I really think it's swell. You've guessed my heart is lion's eyes and strong as you can tell. Brave Elmo, brave Elmo, brave Elmo.
Brave Elmo, can you help me, please? I'm really in a fix. Flying monkeys took my Annabelle. I'm gonna need a...
Brave Elmo, brave Elmo, brave Elmo. Flying monkeys?
Yes, it's true.
Evil cats?
There are two.
Scary things?
There's a few, but Elmo, I know we can overcome this strife and save my lovely girlfriend's life. All I really need is...
Brave Elmo, brave Elmo, brave Elmo. Are there bugs?
I don't know.
Things that bite?
Probably so.
We should wait.
We must go.
Brave Elmo, brave Elmo, brave Elmo. I wish you wouldn't call me that. Your shouting hurts my head. I wish that I was home right now, sleeping in my bed.
Oh, he's no eater.
Kumbaya, Elmo, that must be it. Elmo? Brave Elmo?
I think I left my oven on and, huh? Mommy?
Isn't this cute? The love is united. How tragic it won't be for long. You thought you could save her. A happy ending for all of you. Well, let me just say you were wrong. This creature has 100 eyes. Its caves are everywhere. Its every thought such complete evil. It could stand on in your hair. Open the cage, sister! Do you want to be responsible for unleashing such a thing? Of course, these demons will wipe them out, but is it worth our suffering? Open the cage, you foolish cat, or share this trio's fate. Just pull the lever over there and open up that gate. Release the lawyers, send in the lawyers, watch them do their thing. When they're through with all of you, you will be reduced to quivering, shivering things.
We're saved, Annabelle, we can now make our escape. It's a good thing Sharky's our friend. The only thing lawyers seem to fear is another who's as awful as him. In the end, the two bad cats lost their beauty. We're last seen selling sunglasses out of the trunk of their car. As for Annabelle and I, well, we did live happily ever after. Sharky the shark dog got his hands on one of those flying monkey suits, and no one's sure where he is. Oh well.
I'm proud of you, Huckleberry. You're doing the right thing by letting those disgusting animals loose, back where they came from.
Okay, Mom, if you say so. Sorry, guys. My dad says wild animals have to be left alone to prosper in their natural environment. He says I have no right to keep you guys cooped up.
Sure you do. We don't mind. Hey, yikes!
Run wild, run free, little creatures. Go on.
We don't want to go, Huckleberry. We like being with you.
We want to stay. It's safe and warm and...
Oh, my dad said this might happen. He told me once a wild animal becomes attached to a dinosaur, they have a hard time readjusting to their natural environment. He said I'd have to do something.
Yikes!
dinosaur's pet. It's degrading. Look, we're like some of the first people. Are we not men? Let's set an example for our entire race, okay?
As far as we know, we are our entire race.
Okay, even better. No one to judge us. We'll set the standards. We'll be the first to be brave, the first to be cunning, the first to be intelligent.
Huh? The first to scream like women and run!
You did the right thing, Huckleberry. Wild creatures like that should not be held in captivity. And besides, they were such horrible-looking creatures.
Oh, Mom, that's what I liked about them. They were so disgusting, it was cool.
There's your bus, honey. Run along now. Don't get carried away by any pterodactyls in the playground.
Huckleberry, wait! Wait! Come back! Don't leave us! Okay, don't worry about it, okay? We're gonna be fine. We'll just go back to Huckleberry's house.
When does the hurting stop?
We now return to As the Glacier Turns. When we last left Igor and Billie Jean,
Oh, sure you can say those eggs I found encased in mud aren't yours, Igor. And Babs isn't the one whose footprint was left by that river creek. But let me tell you something, Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex. You lied to me.
I don't know what you expect me to do about it, Billie Jean. Don't you get it? I am sinking in a doggone tar pit.
Aren't we all, Igor? Aren't we all? What the? Oh my goodness! Those little creatures look just like those things Huckleberry dragged out of the woods! Oh no! Those things must have laid eggs or something! The whole house is probably infested with hundreds of those disgusting little creatures! If only Gertrude had survived the operation, things would be different, I'll bet.
I'd love to talk about it, but there's this little problem, see? I am sinking in a tar pit, get it?
Hello?
Hello? Cataclysm Pest Control? Yes! My house is infested with horrible thingies!
Don't worry, ma'am. I'm on my way.
All right, nice shot. If we ever find those little mutant humans, they won't stand a chance.
Gentle Sauce, please stifle those noisy holes beneath your snouts. I think I've located the humans. Help me down from here. You do realize, Squat, the brain in my tail is larger than the one in your head.
That's a good thing, right, Doc?
Some fair dinosaurus has apparently spotted the targets in her dwelling.
Perfect. All we gotta do is intercept the exterminator on his way to the house and take his place.
Sounds like a cunning and foolproof plan. That means even Squats can come along.
Whoa! Hey, lady, you need a ride somewhere?
Why, yes, I do, stranger. But how do I know a big, strong dinosaur like you won't take advantage of me?
Hey, I've always treated a lady with respect. R-E-S-P-E-K-T. Respect.
Then turn your head and face forward for me. I can always judge a man's character by his profile.
Oh, well, how's that?
I don't know, you look honest enough, yet you look very, very
Gullible.
Gullible? What the?
Don't be alarmed, sir. Our government will be along shortly to untie you and take you home.
Yes?
Are you nuts, lady? This place is gonna be blasted to rubble in about...
Cataclysm Pest Control. You called us?
Oh, yes. Come right in.
It could get a little ugly in here, ma'am. I think it may be a good idea if you were to leave. See, we have to use a poisonous spray to eliminate the bugs. And
Plus, we want to get you out of the way so when the explosions...
your carpets will be fine, ma'am.
Oh, well, in that case, lock up when you leave. I'll be down at the lava pits having a facial if you need anything.
All right, Gentle Sauce. We have the whole place to ourselves.
Okay, I have an idea, okay? Now, help me push this thing, okay? Now, we'll just climb up the string into our own environment. No!
When does the hurting stop?
Don't worry, buddy. I'm coming.
Humans!
And where do you go? Aha! I'm here for you, squad! Get him off! Get him off! Curse this evolution thing! Duck cutter! Duck!
Humans!
We've got him, Doc! The darn things are too small. We can't blast them if we can't see them.
I have just the thing. Amazing grow. This stuff does wonders in my garden. If we can spray some of the little critters, they'll grow big as tomatoes. Big enough to see, then obliterate.
Sounds like a good plan, Doc. I found this Spanish souffle in the fridge. You want some?
Do you mind? We're on a mission here.
There they are!
Get him, Doc! Zap him with the can! Let me do it! Let me!
Easy, squad. You're using too much.
Too much? How can you tell?
Are you happy now, squad? You've created a carnivorous spinach souffle that's probably going to devour each of us.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry isn't going to make this thing not eat us, is it?
No.
I guess we'd better just run!
Did you get rid of the thingies?
Yes, Mom. Calm has been restored to your home. We'll send you a bill.
Well, that's lovely.
Now, if you'll excuse us, ma'am.